Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah and today I have another video about hair dye. So if you guys could not tell, my hair is green. I was once your local strawberry girl and now I am your local lizard sea wench. I don't know, I think it kind of depends on the day. Here is my pun. So just a quick little backstory for you as to why I dyed my hair green, although I don't think that it's necessary to really have reasoning for it. So I was with my roommate one day and we were just driving home and I told her, I was like, you know what, I really have been wanting to dye my hair green. Like, I really want to dye my hair green. And she looked back at me and she was like, I want to dye my hair green too. So we went to our local Sally's Beauty Supply and we were searching around, rummaging around. We were looking for Arctic Fox or Manic Panic green hair dye. I had used an Enchanted Forest hair dye from Manic Panic before that I really liked the color because it was like a bluey green, like deep, beautiful color. And I wanted something a little bit darker than what I had been doing. I've been doing lots of pastels, but I wanted something that kind of blended my roots out a little bit better because my roots are getting really long now. And I am growing my hair out for a bit before I bleach it again. Couldn't find the color that we were looking for in Manic Panic or Arctic Fox. The Arctic Fox that they had in store was like a lime green and I wanted something like a dark green, like a deep green. So my roommate picked up this hair dye. This is the one and only Perfect Intensity Vibrant Color Semi-Permanent hair dye in emerald green. So I grabbed a few of them and I dyed my head and my hair extensions with it. And I really like it. I think that it's really, really nice. Whenever we were at the store, I was like Googling to see, you know, people who had dyed their hair this color before, that had used this brand in the same color, because you know, you kind of want to get an idea of like what color you're going to be achieving. Obviously, you can't always trust the box. I'm telling you people, you cannot always trust the box. So I wanted to see other people's experiences. I think that's just something that I do very often, especially since the internet is such a accessible resource. And I really just couldn't find any like solid information about it, whether people liked it or whether they didn't like it and if it was more balloon toned. So that's why I'm here. Yeah, I'm pretty much just here to show you guys what this color looks like. These extensions were a very, very light pastel pink color. I washed them out before I dyed them. Now on my head, it is a little bit different. I think that my hair on my head was much more porous than the hair extensions because it just soaked it up and my hair was a very dark green, which I personally really liked. My extensions did not get as dark. I do think that if I applied another layer of the hair dye or even just more of the hair dye and let it sit longer, then I think that my extensions would have matched my hair better. Furthering that, I have washed my hair probably about 5 times since I dyed it green, and it does say on the box, lasts 6 to 8 washes. I would say I washed my hair 5 or 6 times, so this color is obviously sticking, especially since my hair was like platinum, almost white. It's understandably so. I wasn't expecting it to wash out. I really wasn't. But that's just a forewarning that blues and greens will just stick to your hair. You should watch out for that. If you're planning on just having it wash out, it does say that this is a semi-permanent, so it should wash out. It shouldn't stay in your hair for a significant amount of time. A few things that I really liked about this product is the color. Obviously, it was really nice. Don't have to use any developer, so you just take it out of the tube and slap it right on your head, which I really appreciate because I think that the peroxide developer is really bad for your hair, and my hair is already in a state where it's not at its healthiest and it's not feeling its greatest. So that was nice. I liked that about it. I thought that it smelled really nice and it was nourishing and conditioning. My hair felt better after I had used the hair dye. And just a few cons about this product, things that I didn't like so much, that maybe I wish were a little bit different, is that personally for me, I have a lot of hair and I also have a lot of extension going on as well, so I did find that I had to use 5 tubes of dye to get my hair and my extensions dyed, and I still think I could have used just one more to make it like really a solid color. Also, this brand is not cruelty free, which is a huge bummer, and hopefully they will, you know, move into that segment of the world of beauty and kind of have awareness there. But at this point, I don't believe that this is a cruelty free brand. I could be wrong, but I don't think that it is. It's kind of weird. My hair is a different color in different lighting situations, which makes sense. I get it. I do understand, but I've never really experienced it to this extent. I did experience it once when my hair was a purpley blue color, and sometimes it was purple and sometimes it was straight up blue, like totally different hair color, which honestly is kind of fun. It's not something that I like totally dislike. It goes from like a forest green to like a very teal color. It just depends on what kind of light is hitting it. It makes sense. Some light is blue based, some light is yellow based, some light is white. So like depending on what kind of light is hitting your hair, it's gonna make the color look different, but it's a really intense difference. Like sometimes my hair is blue and sometimes my hair is green. So I did try to give you guys a neutral toned light. That's why like it's so dark behind me right now, just so that I only had one light source that was shining on the hair so that you could really see the color. Ultimately, I would say that I do enjoy this hair color. I did like it. I like the color that it gave me. I do think that it is pretty true to what is advertised on the box. As you can see, it's very similar. And yeah, I would recommend it if you're interested in trying some green hair. I will leave a link in the description box below of where you can purchase this. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. If you've made it to the end of the video, I really appreciate it. You guys are the best. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys soon.